Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers, 866-6490-333. This is the inspector's summary video. This is a pre-existing non-conforming structure. This is a pass-fail video. This is a preload test evaluation. You need an EPA renovator's license if this is pre-1978. This one definitely looks like it's pre-1978. There will be no welding. All connections should be bolted to comply with code. This structure must be sound and painted. Okay, let's get started with our video. First, we're up on the roof, and there on the roof here, if you come out the wrong way and there's smoke, you'll go right off the edge. There should be some kind of railing along here. That definitely presents a problem. You also have a trip hazard here, so where these wires should be somehow moved so that it does not cause a trip hazard. We have a very similar structure as the front of the building. You've got channels that come out on this particular platform. It looks like it's a 4x4. You got 2 brackets that come out. The upper part is a channel. It looks like it's a 3 by 1.5 inch channel, and then you have a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch angle that acts as to form the triangle. You got the same type of stair formation here. You've got pre-made tread that curves at the end, and everything's bolted into the stringer. The stringer again is 3/8 by 4 inches, and then your railing is 3/4 inch solid, and also your posts. And that type of configuration, the next floor down is a little bigger fire escape, so the channels for that platform are a little bit bigger. They're like 4-inch channel, but basically you have the same configuration as the front of the building. So let's start our descent down, and I just want to give one shot here because we have some future use and reconfiguration of this one particular fire escape. So this is a good vantage point to look at that. All right, we're back on the back fire escape on 1293, and we're going to see the same type of problems, but we got other problems on this one. First of all, our masonry wall is in disrepair, and it makes the connection suspect. You can see here how things need to be repointed, and as we go down it will become evident. You can see right here that big gap. So that needs to be addressed, and we'll continue on. Okay. Again, this you got looks like 4-inch channel. 1, 2, 3 are cantilevered without a bracket. The 2M ones are bracketed once again, just like the other, but just like the front, the FE1. So as we come along here, you can see again, you can see how poor the masonry is. So we do have some issues with that. And let's continue on here. And then we're going to descend down. And again, you can see there's rust and rust jacking in between the tread and the stringer. And then back here, we're in a little worse shape as far as the hardware. Let me just get a shot there. Right here, the bolt's missing, and the hardware is in much worse shape back here. I don't think the work's been done as much back here as it was in front. And again, you can see the condition of the masonry wall. That's suspect and needs further investigation. Okay, we're going to come down and all of my comments will just repeat themselves platform after platform. The masonry needs some work. We have a problem here in that we have two air conditioners, and that blocks access to the fire escape. That's a means of egress, and it should you should have at least one free so you can get onto the fire escape. I'm going to descend down here, and again, everything's going to repeat itself. Everything's typical, same formations, same type of problems. Again, the hardware is suspect here. You can see it's rusting through. There's rust jacking. This particular fire escape is in much worse shape than the front. And again, the wall, we have some problems. You can see the mortar has deteriorated. So we do have some issues with this. Continue down. Okay. Same issues, same problems. This appears to be slightly slanted, and this needs further investigation. The connection here is suspect, and it needs further investigation. Okay, you can see how this is separating away. Another thing I noticed on the way up is this railing is completely separating from the channel. So you can see, like, let me just get a shot here. You can see that separation there, how bad it is. Okay, let's continue down. Let's see if I can, there you can really see it. You can see right in here how bad it is. It's completely separated out, and that channel is starting to delaminate up on top. Okay, so let's come down. Hi. I'm getting there. Alright, and now we're going to go on this last part. This leads to this alleyway, and I don't know how all this works, how you would get out of here, even if you got down. The slope on this stair is out of kilter. It is not a flat stair. The stairs are a bit of a problem here. Let me just swing around. So you can see the bad angle here. it slopes that way, and it's very awkward walking on it. And this comes down to here, and you descend down, but once you're down, I don't know how you get out. So you got a ladder down. Again, you got a hook on this ladder, but nobody can lift the ladder because it's too heavy. So you're going to need some counterweights on this, and perhaps a reconfiguration, because you're definitely going to nowhere, and you may run to a situation that you're even worse. You'd be better off hopping off of this fire escape and going out front. But this doesn't make any particular sense. The only way back out is to go into this door here, and you don't want to run back into a building. Okay, this concludes the inspector's summary video for fire escape number 2.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report forbidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.